he about whom Lord Krishna told Ganga Devi in Brahma Vaivarta Puran that after 5,000 years, my holy name worshipper will appear and preach Harinam Mahamantra all over the world? Who is he through whom Bhakti Devi expressed her desire to leave India and travel to distant lands to Narad Muni in the Bhagavad Mahatma and in the Uttarakhand of the Padma Puran? Who is he who is the commanded devotee mentioned in Sri Chaitanya Mangal by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the holy incarnation of Kali Yuga? If the sinner leaves the religion and goes to a far country, my commanded devotee will go there. Who is this person of this prophecy mentioned in Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, through which Mahaprabhu asked to spread the name of Hari in the cities and villages of the world? To all the cities and villages in the world, my name will spread everywhere. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada said that a self-luminous Acharya would come who will prove his integrity by preaching in a wonderful manner. He is none other than ISKCON founder Acharya, Jagadguru, His Divine Grace, Srila Abhay Charanaravinda Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. He guided the misguided society to the right path. What he has preached all over the world from 1966 to 1977, at the age of 70, he traveled to more than 108 cities around the world. He preached by traveling around the world 14 times to preach Mahaprabhu's mission to the whole world. He established 108 temples all over the world. He gave 1914 lectures. He wrote 36 essays, 80 books for human welfare, published 130 Back to Godhead magazines. He had performed 490 vigils. He had 907 room conversations and over 62 interviews. For him today, everyone is getting the opportunity to read Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam and Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. People from all over the world are getting chance to worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna. People from all over the world are united under one tree, regardless of caste and birth. Today is the 120th appearance day of ISKCON founder Acharya, His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, the glorious disciple of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. On this day, let us all pray to Srila Prabhupada so that we can be determined towards his service, just like he was determined to his Guru Maharaj. Hare Krishna.